how to create a lead magnet and actually get it physically into the world. I'm going to tell you the different steps that needs to be taken from having a lead magnet idea and actually having physical sign-ups to your lead magnet. So let's get started. Let's have a look and let's see how the magic comes to life. So first up, I want to show you this using a flow chart. It's the best way I can explain the whole process. So hopefully this is going to make sense to you and actually show you all the different steps that need to be taken. Because of course, we need to come up with the lead magnet idea, which you can check out one of our other videos to find out more about. But what about actually these different steps, the software, that kind of stuff? So let me just share my screen with you. Here we go. So now you should be able to see my screen. I'm just going to make it bigger. Let's move this around a little bit. There we go. So as you can see here, the lead magnet itself. So a lead magnet can be anything: ebooks, masterclasses, waitlist courses. I'll go through this in a different video. And then what you need to do first off is, once you've created this lead magnet and you've got it sorted and you've created it, you're going to then store it somewhere. Now, the way you store it is going to be different depending on what type it is. So let's just say you've created an ebook, you've got a PDF, a physical PDF. Then what you're going to want to do is actually put that PDF into somewhere such as Google Drive, OneDrive, or your website. So these are three places that are most commonly used. Google Drive is free, OneDrive is free, and websites are free, provided you've got a website, of course. So they're the ways you to store that. But if it's video material, so it's something like a masterclass, or it might be something such as a mini course with different series of videos, then what you'll need to do is actually store them videos somewhere else, such as YouTube as an unlisted video or Vimeo. My recommendation is always Vimeo, because you can do better with the branding and it's safer on Vimeo than it is on YouTube. So once we actually have it stored, the next step is actually to create a landing page. Sorry about that. So when we mean by a landing page, if I just go to my own website, I'm just going to bring up a landing page for you. So let's look at this one. So this is a landing page. At the top, there is no menu to distract people. So if I'm sharing this ebook with people and want people to sign up to it, then what I would do is share this link with them on social media. If they're interested, they'll click on it and then they'll come to my website. So a landing page, as you can see, can be as long or short as you want. So this is probably medium range. So super short could be just the top of the page. This is probably medium, and then you've got long, where it's quite longer. So as you can see here, we've got a mock-up of what it looks like, the ebook, some little features about it, tell them 3 key parts of it. And if they click on this button, it's going to bring them to the form, and we've got some social proof at the bottom as well. So you'll need a landing page created. Now with your landing page, there's various places that you can build it. So you could build it on MailerLite, for instance, using their free landing page builder. You could build it on GrooveFunnels. So this is something where you can get lifetime licenses for at the moment. WordPress, if you've got your own website, or Wix, or anything like that, Squarespace, do it on your website. Or you've got lead pages, they're another good one. Depending on what package you've got with ActiveCampaign, you could build landing pages in there. So there's loads of places. It doesn't have to be on your website. You can build it in other software, such as MailerLite and Lead Pages. So once you've got your landing page, what the main reason for it is so that it all has that form on it. So if we have a look, this form, that's the opt-in form. And that's the whole reason behind us wanting a landing page. So the other things you can do as well, and this is what this bit here means, is you could have a website and then have an opt-in form. So it doesn't have to be a landing page. So if I just go back to my main website, and if I just go back to my homepage, as we scroll down, we can see that I've just got the form about want to save 3 hours a week, send me the book here. So it's not a landing page, it's actually on my website. So you can have landing pages and opt-in forms placed around your website, such as I've got one at the bottom of every page on my website, one here, just for people to sign up to my mailing list, basically. So that's what we mean by this little website branch here. Then what's going to happen is you're going to want a thank you page. So that once they've actually requested it, it's going to redirect them somewhere. And it's going to be a thank you page telling them the next steps, or even giving them the actual lead magnet there, such as where the video might be hosted. And then after that step, we want their information that they typed into that form to go into our email marketing system. Now, there are only 2 email marketing systems I ever recommend. And these are MailerLite, because it's free. And when you get started, it has all the features that you need when you're getting started with email marketing, automation, campaigns, landing pages, forms. ActiveCampaign, this is my recommendation for people who want to just start off using some software that's going to grow with them as their business grows. People who have already got a decent sized business and they want to make sure they get started the correct way. ActiveCampaign is the most powerful email marketing system out there and the most powerful when it comes to automation. So what would happen is their details would get added into an email marketing system, and then it would send them a series of emails, such as, let me just bring up this other part here for you. So they've entered their details into the form on your website, and then they basically get added to an email marketing system, and a bit like a flow chart, they get sent the initial email, which will have the link that you created when you actually put it and stored it somewhere. So it will have that link in there, and then it will send follow-up emails. And these can be over various timescales. It can be to get them all within a week, get them all over a month, etc. And these follow-up emails are aiming to take them to the next part of your funnel, which could be from a free ebook. You want them to sign up for a course, like a little course that you've got, or sign up to your membership or anything like that. So that is how you would create a lead magnet. You would create the lead magnet itself and store it. You would create a landing page with an opt-in form. And then all these details would get added to an email marketing system. And they would get a lead magnet nurture series, which is a set number of emails all the time, including the link to access the lead magnet. So there you have it. That's how you will get a lead magnet out into the whole world. Nice and simple once you get your head around it. Of course, there's several steps involved, but just imagine though, once you've done it once, you have the amazing capability of just duplicating your funnel, editing the images and the text for a new lead magnet, and you can start creating more and more. Hopefully that helps you out. Don't forget, subscribe to our YouTube channel, hit that bell to make sure you get your notifications. And if you enjoyed this video or you're maybe a bit confused, ask away in the comments below. Tell us if you liked it and make sure you share it with people who it may benefit. Take care, everybody, and see you inside the magical world of IT Moon.